a group of dedicated food technologists and scientists at the University of Nebraska leaders from ways to reform bits of pork into appetizing shapes. And they approached McDonald's with porky creation. McDonald's bought the process, and thus was born McRib.
The McRib is a combination of different cuts of pork. They're cut into pieces and then they are put into a mold that looks like a rib, and then it's pressed into that mold to form that shape. It creates a uniquely McDonald's handheld barbecue sandwich that has been a big part of our menu for 25 years.
But for folks like me, these places don't sell barbecue. They sell what we down here in Texas call faux cubes.
You can't make real barbecue quickly.
Traditional, no. It takes up to 20 hours to smoke a hog, but factories can press out thousands of McRibs in the same amount of time.
There is definitely a following for the McRib. I've actually heard stories of people traveling 50 miles to get a McRib sandwich.
Other fast food outlets have also added barbecue items to their menus. But once again, there's no...
You are so tired.
Now this is the BBQ Ranch Hunger Buster. But you know, folks like me, when they get handed faux barbecue like this, we just kind of look at the waiter and the waitress and we say, faux cube.